Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, c'est jeudi le 21 octobre. Le mot de passe, if you did not do your flip grid yesterday, make sure you are practicing that. Even if you did do it yesterday, it's still a good thing to practice. J'ai besoin d'un stylo. Un stylo. J'ai besoin d'un stylo. Okay, aujourd'hui dans l'histoire. Aujourd'hui, c'est jeudi le 21 octobre et c'est l'anniversaire de Maxime Vachier-Lagrave. Qui est Maxime Vachier-Lagrave? Il est un joueur professionnel d'échecs. Il a reçu le titre de grand maître en 2005 à l'âge de 14 ans. Il a reçu le titre, received the title de grand maître. I don't know if any of you are chess players or familiar with chess at all. I'm really not, but I have heard this term before. Grand maître, c'est grand master. It means that you reached a level in chess that's pretty exclusive. Et il a reçu le titre de grand maître à l'âge de 14 ans. Wow, à l'âge de 14 ans. Pretty impressive. Très impressionnant. Il a commencé à jouer quand il avait 5 ans. Commencer, we have a cognate in English, remember, commence. If something is commencing, it's beginning. Commencer. Il a commencé à jouer quand il avait 5 ans. Et en 2020, il était numéro 1 en France et numéro 14 mondial. Très impressionnant. Mondial, we've seen that before with our, well, mostly with these, this Aujourd'hui dans l'histoire, this day in history. Mondial, c'est in the whole world. International. Okay, voici les questions. I will link these momentarily and then you'll be good to go. Ensuite, Antero, your quiz for La Grenouille qui aime chanter. So I want to make sure that we're not getting these two things confused. Last week for our personne spéciale, we used the main character of this story. So we had a similar quiz and a similar write and discuss, but this is different. So please make sure that you are doing this and not mistakenly thinking you already did it. So when you click on this form, you'll see our write and discuss, which you can also find on slide 15. As well as the portion of the recording from yesterday's meet where I told the story, and then finally the quiz video and the place to answer those questions in the quiz. So that is that. Hopefully it's all pretty self-explanatory. The write and discuss, I guess probably makes sense to do this part before you get to the quiz. It's actually just here on slide numéro 15. You can go ahead and copy it from here, but it's also in your stories, which are linked at the top of your Schoology page if you scroll to the very bottom. So you can always get to it that way as well. Okay, and it's also in the quiz form. Boom. So once you finished the write and discuss into your cahier as well as the quiz, you have your song, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Keep practicing those numbers. I told the class yesterday that I believe we will have a numbers quiz at some point, probably after our little fall break. I will go ahead and make that a quiz because I want to make sure you know those numbers, and oftentimes that's kind of the motivation that students need to get that information up here. And then finally, TPR. I do a little bit of this in the story video before the quiz. So the most important gestures for this story are la classe danse, la classe saute, et la classe touche la jambe. You know what la jambe means, leg. Okay, et c'est tout. I believe that's it for aujourd'hui. Au revoir tout le monde.